Really, what you're fighting post-workout is inflammation, right? So you want to get rich, dense anti-inflammatory foods to your body. Athletes are always fighting damage. That's what we do when we train. Training is damage, and in order to repair and grow stronger and faster, you must fight inflammation and give your body the tools it needs to repair fast. I have 6 foods here that are powerhouses for recovery. First one, and you might be surprised, are spices. Many common spices have anti-inflammatory properties, but ginger and turmeric are inflammation-fighting powerhouses, and it doesn't take much. You can sprinkle them on tofu or chickpea scrambles or soups or roasted veggies, or just add a pinch of it to your smoothies. Secondly is dark leafy greens. I go crazy with dark leafy greens post-workout. I mean, kale, collard, spinach. Most leafy greens are terrific inflammation fighting foods. I love to massage my kale with a little bit of olive oil and some salt and let it sit for just a bit, and then mix it in a delicious tahini dressing for a tender kale salad. And tahini, by the way, ounce for ounce, has the most calcium of any food on planet Earth. You can also cook down your collard greens with garlic and onions, or you can toss a few handfuls of fresh or frozen spinach to any stir fry. Third, select fruits, and they're specific. Think strawberries, blueberries, oranges, and cherries. Eat those fruits on their own in a smoothie, or you can blend it with frozen bananas or a sweet dairy-free frozen yogurt-like dessert. Number 4 is nuts. That's right. Stock up on walnuts. Walnuts are also fantastic for your brain and your memory, by the way. So you're going to stock up on walnuts, which are fantastic for your brain, your memory, by the way, almonds and hazelnuts. Slightly roast them to make them your own. You can also eat the nut butters, right? So there's walnut nut butter, there's almond butter, as you know, there's hazelnut nut butter. Nuts also round out salads. I love to sprinkle them on my salads along with seeds as well, pumpkin seeds and sesame seeds and hemp seeds that has a ton of protein, by the way. It really adds a nice texture and kind of a great crunch to really any salad or bowl. Number 5 is tomatoes. You think you don't like tomatoes? Well, try a different variety. There's cherry tomatoes, Roma tomatoes, heirloom tomatoes, and they all come in wonderful taste and different textures. You can use them to top a veggie pizza or make a plant-based bolognese sauce, or whip up this incredible dairy-free tomato, cucumber, and tofu feta salad that I absolutely love. It's fresh and it is hydrating. Another tip I have on that is pineapple sprinkled with hemp seeds post-workout, because pineapple is incredibly anti-inflammatory. It's also hydrating, and with the hemp seeds, you get a little protein. But number 6 is beans. Pinto, garbanzo, black, kidney. There are literally dozens and dozens of different bean varieties to suit any preference. So whether you purchase them in a can or make your own from dried, beans still retain their anti-inflammation fighting properties. You can simmer like a hearty bean chili that I love to do in the winter. You can wrap up a spicy bean and vegetable burrito, or you can make a dip and dunk raw veggies or schmear into sandwiches and wraps. Yum. Post-workout, so important, right? Repair, repair, repair. And what is the most essential types of foods to repair with? Anti-inflammatory foods. Athletes are always fighting damage, right? Training is damage to our body, and our body has to repair. And in order to grow stronger and faster, you need the right kind of nutrition and the right kind of fuel for your body to repair as fast as it can, right? Because you need to be training the next day, or maybe even that afternoon if you do 2-a-days or even 3-a-days. You must fight that inflammation and give your body the tools it needs to repair as quick as it can.